So we also do what's in the classroom was we also have children be of service. We also have jobs so they can help one another. We also have ways to be helpful. When you're finished your work, you can help someone else. And we have children who are less integrated than others. And the ones that are less integrated than others, as you can imagine, have behaviors that are a little challenging for the teacher. So challenging kids equals less integration within. So we say, tell you what, you guys be of service. You're going to get an extra job. You're going to be this. You're going to be this. You're going to go help all the time. We're asking you to be service. Would you go help this person? Would you go help this person? Would you go help this person? And by giving that to others, guess what happens to the child? Their being starts to integrate up. Their brain integrates up. And guess what happens to their behavior? The behaviors become more prosocial. And people are like, oh, how did that happen? How did that happen? Everybody in here has experienced a moment where you had compassion and you acted on that compassion with helpfulness or empathy or something. Has everybody had that? After that experience, whether they knew it was you or not, how did you feel? Yeah, I mean, that's a good feeling. That's like, I am not here to take up space. I am not here to shop. I am not here to make more money for people. I am not here to keep money circulating in an economy. I'm here for a big, big reason. I mean, you're not saying that to yourself, but you walk with this like, I matter. There's a space for me. I'm here to serve, and I did it, and it feels good. And that's that sense you get from interconnectedness, the interconnectedness of your organs, the interconnected in your classroom, and the interconnected of the world.